Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Casablanca Brescia ceiling fan weathered copper that I just got. There it is. I got this off of Greg on eBay. It was factory reconditioned. So basically this was a purchase before, but very slightly used and still had the original box. So I figured, why not? So let's open it. Alright, just these sides. The other side. Now should peel over now. So there's a little bit more on this side, and then this will be good. Okay, so this box is extremely hard to open. Take this pretty well. Well, now I'm opening the box. Alright, let me place shell down for a minute. Alright. Cutting a tape. It's open. I'll take you back. There it is. So here's the manual for it. The blade arms over here, or the top part of the blade arm, and this is the main part of the blade arm that attaches to the motor. Here's the housing with the Casablanca logo on it. By the way, if you guys are asking if it's going to be installed, most likely yes. Just gotta find a place for it. I have many places for it. Here's the entry canopy that it comes with. Yeah, I have many places to put this. I can put it like anywhere because I have lots of like Hampton based stuff I want to get rid of right now. And here's the Permalock down dog. The motor. Here it is. And yeah, no, that's not broken. It's supposed to be like that. But yeah, here's the motor. Rubber flywheel. And here's the housing. Put y'all down for a moment again so I can just take this out. Alright, there it is. Alright, just set this open. And here's the Allen wrench. The set screw that the Allen wrench is supposed to go in. Motor shield. There's the Casablanca logo on the XLC motor. Here's the info on the top of the motor this time. Let's see. Has the newer Casablanca logo on here, which is pretty cool. Here's the serial number for it. 43rd fan made that day. Pretty cool. It says January 2007 on the UL listing. Pretty believable. This looks like it's a fan from that kind of era, but yeah. Here's the Casablanca Brescia ceiling fan in weathered copper.